Alright, y'all, what's up? Y'all know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. We have a 2007 Ford Explorer Sport Track, and I'm going to show you how to take these door panels off because we're going to be changing out those, factory speakers. We got to get them out of there. First thing we want to do, man, we want to come right here. Matter of fact, this panel pops off and this little small panel pops off. What I've been doing with the other doors is the passenger door. I've just been bringing my hand up under here. That comes off. Once that comes off, you'll see that there's a 7mm right there and a 7mm right there that we have to take out. And we want to do the same thing right here on this panel. I just use my nail. Of course, you can use your panel removal tool, but I'm just saying these panels are easy to pop off. Let me see if I can put my line on for you guys. All right, 7mm right there on the door handle, 7mm right there. And we also have one more 7mm right here at the bottom. I'm sorry, there's two of them at the bottom of the door. Boom, on those sides. So now that you know where those are, let's go ahead and take them out. Alright, so now that we've taken out all of those, only thing we have to do, I just grab right up here, pull up on the panel. Once we pull up on the panel, there's no clips, they have these little hooks right here. Now we just have to disconnect these harnesses. Take that out right there. Alright, so this part is the difficult part. What you want to do with this little clip, as you can see, this has like a little small tab here and a small tab here. When we put this door panel back on, you want to put this ball in first, and then you stretch it out, pull it down, and then stick it through. And that's how that locks on. So what we want to do is push that tab in, and see how I kind of got I'm pulling up on the panel, on the wire cable. As I push this in, now I want to push this down at the same time. I really need two hands. There we go. Then we can pull that out. And now we have it going. Now that we have the 4/6mm out of the speakers, I'm going to take that speaker off, unplug that harness. And we got that speaker out, halfway done. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and finish this thing up. I have my speaker harness right here. I always tell you guys in all these videos, get these speaker harnesses, because guess what? I'm done. I already have black for negative, white for positive. My little terminals are already on the end. I'm gonna put this on my speaker and then I'm done with my install. Alright, y'all, and I got my speaker went on ahead, mounted that boy back in there. If you guys find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this door panel back on. And if you guys just want to further your knowledge, I have a list of how-tos over there in those cards in the corner, just in case you be doing some more installs by yourself. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Peace.